Mm.
Ay, wow!
Santa Claus si Lola Susan, oy.
Look, man, si Ellie!
Wow!
No!
You look at the first.
Lipaya kay namong niya.
Wow! Halagin daw na siya kakuan. Mas siya to kaliguros. Minduha na kaan lang.
Nara siya din.
Sinlat.
Baby, init siya.
Init good.
Murag natawin na nga virus. Kung carpenter ako, ganda ko. Naon sa nila yung balay, wala naman.
Oo ba?
Sige, sige siya.
Another gift. Bigaya.
Thank you, Lola Susan.
Wow!
Thank you, Lola Susan.
That's from your Lolo and Lola in the US.
Wow! Sus, puro box gyud ha.
Yay!
Uy,
Yes!
Ah,
what's that?
This is
The
no-
horse. Horse? It's a horse.
Robert na. Horse.
The horse.
Mhm.
Achoo! Achoo! The horse. Nana siya ini nga po? Aw, kay mura manggog kay balo siya. Kaya mo kung naana ni. Wow! Yes, lots of gifts also.
Yeah.
Gifts. Thank you.
Wow,
Thank you.
thank you.
The birthday cake.
Thank you, Lola Susan.
And the balloon. There's a got a hat.
Diba, makakuha na beto siya
Happy
sa ka.
birthday.
Kaya ba sa ka sentence? Oh, there's birthday cake, but it's missing.
Yabo. Yabo. Oh, ila yabo. Naama na petri raging sa naka. Gerbil. Sa hamster.
Oh.
Gina na siya ayaw. Kapa.
Ah,
One time
hindi na
nabiyahan
siya.
ako.
Chicken?
Bilang na siya dito sa kwarto. Gipa ako!
Oh.
Pero wala man nakuhaan.
Kaya mga manok.
Mm.
Ayun, dyan ang anak.
Mama horse? Oh, there's a pig. What's that? Oh, sheep. Ah, kabalurag ko di ay. A donkey?
Ala, coffee ka.
Ay, di rin. Kasama ko mo kape.
Kuhan.
Kaya mo hyper mo ko.
Ah, di tuloy ka mainom ko.
Hyper ko. Oo na. Sali lang.
Yes.
Ah, there's the butterfly. Wow, that's a mouse. There's a bird.
Basta
And that one?
dali arap ka na mabalaw, son. Dali na kay mabalaw.
Basta kay bright na, doon na niya, na-absorb na niya dahil yun.
Muduliran lang siya maka-absorb. Nasa eskwelahan.
Dali lang mabalaw.
Wala na.
Ooh.
Let's open it.
Shortcut man.
Open it.
Ay,
Wow.
gunting ka rin.
Hmm. Thank you, Lola Susan. Thank you, Lola Susan.
Ay, wow! Another slipper. Pair of slippers.
Another one. Yes. Wow. Open, open.
Come on, let's see.
Hurry.
Wow! 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 Gipon dyan tanan.
Hurry, hurry. Open. Mm.
Hindi pa yan niya. Oh! Oh!
Oh, what's that?
Wow!
You're going to make something, huh? You're going to make
Wow.
something.
What's that?
Like this, in a picture. What do you make?
What's that, Lola?
That's like a duck. This one is an elephant. Okay. You're going to make one? So we will pattern like one. How? Yeah, that's the one. We look for the black one. Where's the black one? Here. There. Insert it. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Bakit hinihimo niya ni Day? Kaya kita may magtuon po din eh. Let's see. Yellow. Oh, yellow. Yes.
Yellow. Slang.
And then, follow that. There's a green one. Yeah. Where's the green one? Okay. Ayan mo siya.
Kaya isang
Wow.
Big Mouth first lang ka.
Wow.
Big Mouth.
Put it here.
Wow. This is...
Ana, imo kan. Ya, saan kayo pagbaw? Saan ka pagbaw nimo?
Sige na to. Ang bagian na mo. Muna, kada mo hunong midhaw. Rainbow. Palit na po para sa akong apo.
Dali kay.
The dog's running after the cat. There's the other dog. Oh, they're eating bones. Many bones. Now, what are they going to do? Oh, who's running now? Oh, wow, the lions are running after the dogs. Jumping over the bridge. What happened? They're all eat already? Wow, the elephants are there. Wow, the elephants are running after the lion. Very good. So, the elephant, what happened to that one? Huh? What happened? Huh? He got wet? Now, what is this? Mouse. The mouse. Oh, who is afraid of the mouse? Who is running away? Who is running after the... Because they're afraid of the... They're running and they're afraid of the mouse. Hmm? What's the mouse eating? Cheese. Wow. You like cheese, Inday? You also like cheese? Like a mouse? Huh? Eating grapes and cheese. So Inday will eat cheese. Okay? Okay, that's the big cheese. Mag-anak lang po.
Ba?
Next is...
Nice. This is your pillow. Huh? This is for Kai Kai.
Made by my Lola.
Be careful. Be careful. It will get wet. Oh, you show it to Lolo. Show it to Lolo, please. Huh? For
Wow, beautiful kayang dress. Hila po sa pananikuan. Oh, Nangato ba niya sa kuan ba? Mga to niya na sa dito sa itong sa
There's the...
There you go.
Oh, look at the fish. Fishing? Oh, opening mouth. What about the mouth of Inday? Big? Also like the fish? That's the food. Oh, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, big na kayo, oh. Eat na, big open your mouth. You will food. Fish food. Big mouth like the fish. Bigger mouth. Go, di na may go. No. Tambo. The fish is very tambo.
Igor was motor?
Food. Ubara na. Too much food. Oh, look. There. In the big thing. In the big pail.
Ano mo sa laki yan?